Hi guys, I'm Andee Layne, creator of fashion and lifestyle site The Honeybee, and I am so excited to be here with Dermstore today. So you guys know I've always been kind of a clean eater and always conscious about what I'm putting into my body, and now with beauty, I've been really trying to make a conscious effort about what I'm putting on the outside as well. So I'm definitely excited for this month's box, which is all things clean beauty. So sometimes I'm not ready to commit to a product that I haven't tried yet, and what's really amazing about the BeautyFIX subscription box is that they give you several at an affordable price point that you can test out and find the one that works best for you. Okay, so let's dive right into this box. The first item is a brand that I love and use regularly. It's Boscia, and this one I've seen all over Instagram. It's their black charcoal mask, and it's super great for detoxifying your pores. Okay, and as a mom of two, I am so excited for this next product and definitely could use a little bit of it in my life. It's by 100% Pure, and it's their caffeine eye cream, which comes in a full-size version, and it's really great for dark circles and helping with that depuffing, which I'm sure we could all use a little help in that department. And this next product is life in my household. LaRonde makes an amazing dry shampoo. This is the perfect size to just toss in your bag and go, and it's a top-rated one that I've seen in all of my beauty magazines, so this one's definitely a major score. Okay, and the next one is by Tula, and it's their Radiant Serum. I swear by their hand creams. I'm super excited to try this one. This one helps with dark spots, which is especially great after a long summer with all that sun exposure, so definitely excited to test out this one. And the next goodie in the box is this Briogeo Deep Conditioning Mask. I love this brand. I use their spray version, and it's awesome. It's really great for helping with damaged hair, whether you are like me and you're styling your hair nonstop and kind of damaging it, or been in the pool all summer long. This one will definitely help repair your hair. Okay, and the next product I'm super excited about because I have two kids and it could always use a little help in the tightening and toning department. So this serum by Mio is supposed to help with that. It's their Skin Tight Body Serum. So this one's definitely gonna be one of the first ones I try. So Tula is one of my go-to brands, and this is a major score to get in this box. It's their cult classic purifying face cleanser. This one's really great for balancing because it's made with a probiotic. It helps reduce redness and also inflammation. So definitely a great one to have. Okay, and this is the product that you never knew you always needed. It's such an amazing one. I tried this a few months ago. It's their fur oil, and it is a game changer. If you girls struggle with ingrown hairs, this is amazing. I highly recommend this one, and it's definitely a great one to get in this box. Thank you guys so much for doing this fun little unboxing with me. There's seriously so many great products in October's box, and if you girls are interested, you can just go to beautyfix.com to subscribe.